Hi, I'm Dr. Evan Matthews. I'm here at Montclair State University in the Exercise Science Lab to show you how to use an aerobic fitness step. Alright, so we're specifically going to be using the step called the step. It's a name brand, and this is something that you're going to see in fitness centers all across the world in group fitness settings, as well as an exercise science lab for exercise testing. The step itself is 4 inches tall, which is about 10 centimeters. For every set of risers that you add underneath of it, you're going to add 2 inches or another 5 centimeters. The step can be raised and lowered, obviously, to adjust the difficulty level. You can also increase the speed at which you step, or you can change the stepping pattern to make it more fun or more engaging. So it's a very simple to use and very versatile piece of exercise equipment. If you have any questions, you can put those in the comment section below and I'll try to get back to you. Otherwise, please come back and watch another video. Thanks.